It can be lonely being a CEO. As a CEO, I was still trading in the middle of the night, coming in, telling the staff, here's what I did overnight, manage it.
Every CEO knows it's lonely at the top. It's hard to find someone to talk to about issues within your organization that you may not be ready to talk about within your organization.
Vistage is a board of confidants and advisors of other CEOs, and an amazing learning opportunity to amplify your own professional development.
Some CEOs face struggles and they don't have people to bounce it off of. They're out there by themselves. Before Vistage, I was a CEO that worked in the business. I wore a bunch of different hats, but I wasn't working on the business.
It's really good to have 14 people in a room that are all there to listen to your issue and give you advice.
You need to have a group around you that's going to be able to challenge you. They have the same vision I do, which is how they're going to grow their company.
Having people you can trust and rely on, you'll get the best results rather than trying to do everything by yourself.
It's the value of the group. And when they come to their first meeting, they'll pull me aside and say, I didn't realize my problems are the same ones everybody else has.
You have your chair who works with you one-on-one every month, not to answer your questions, but to question your answers so that you can make better decisions and have your thinking challenged for the better.
My Vistage chair understands me personally. He understands me professionally. He will hold you accountable, yet he will listen. Ron feels like a friend when you need to talk.
Someone that's going to give you advice because it's the best thing for you and not because they have something invested in it.
Had I not joined Vistage, I would likely be on a course where I was trying to run and make every decision in the company. Vistage has easily been a 10 times earner for us.
So when I started with Vistage, we were a $20 million local paving company. And today we're $250 million plus in revenue and 400 employees.
If I'm micromanaging, if I'm doing the job myself, I'm really stunting our growth. Vistage, it helps set priorities. It helps you take a step back, look at your business, say, okay, what is the most important thing I need to focus on today? It's been critical for us in terms of evolving the way we think and how we address our business. It's really been instrumental to our growth, and I'm not sure we'd be where we are without a program like Vistage.